Hello guys! Today I am going to show you how you can easily find the user manual for your Edifier W280NB Pro headphones. At first, you need to tap this gear icon over here in the application Edifier Connect. Here, as you can see, we've got the user manual using just one simple tap, or two. So, this is the first way. The second way is when you open web browser and search for the Edifier W280NB user manual and then search. The first link is Edifier Official from www.edifier.com. So this is the official website. Here, as you can see, we've got our headphones. Scroll down and you should see Documents and Firmware's User Manual. You can tap it and you'll be dragged to the user manual back again. That's it. Goodbye.